Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tour Read. Okay, today we are having a very special episode whereby my homeowner, Mrs. Tay, will be joining us, okay, in this house tour. So we are in the heartlands of Tampines, and this is actually an old 5-room resale flat. So want to check out how the renovation is being done? Come, let's start.
Welcome home.
Hey, hi,
Hello.
Yvonne. Come in.
Yes. How have you been?
Fine, good.
Wow, very different from how it was during the renovations, right?
Exactly.
How have you been experiencing the house so far?
Yeah, very good. After the renovation, everything has been done well. We are very comfortable with the house.
So this one is the display cabinet that
This is
Tay wanted.
This is my husband's display cabinet.
Mm-hmm.
That is what he wants, and you have done very well.
Yeah, so basically what Mr. Tay wanted was to actually have a full high-class display cabinet, okay, with all these glass shelvings in it, and at the same time with ample lighting, okay, they will actually have a, see when the light actually shines, it brings out the beauty of the display pieces.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
This is what he wants.
Yeah.
All along. Yes.
Yeah, good. Okay, then maybe we have a look at your feature wall.
Yes.
Okay.
The feature wall really push out the design for the house, and then put the TV in front. We want something which is simple, and you have done it for us.
Good. Yeah. So basically, what they wanted, okay, if we were to look at the feature wall, is actually what we call fluted panel. But what is so interesting about the way we do fluted panels is it is 100% handmade. It's not a ready-made panel just installed on the wall. Okay, and at the same time, I actually did a design whereby both sides there's lighting that when you see it from far, it actually elevates the feel and the overall ambience of the living area. Yeah, and at the same time, you don't have to do such a big feature wall. Just something simple and elegant will do. So, shall we move on to other areas of the house?
To look at this sliding door, yes.
Yes. So how has this door been serving you?
Oh yeah, this door is wonderful. First and foremost, the workmanship is very good. Then it's very smooth moving. And when I'm cooking, I just slide open, slide close. And after cooking, I just like open.
Okay.
Which is actually very good for us. And if let's say we own the aircon in the living room, we can just close it, and it's very good.
So initially, to add on, there used to be a wall over here.
Yes.
So like they were having a headache, like, oh no, the house is like it's angled at a very weird position.
Correct.
And there was a wall. So I actually proposed to, actually it was their idea, in fact, to knock down the wall, and they were confused as to how to partition the space.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you really give us a very good idea.
Thank you. Okay, yeah, so this is actually called a synchronized sliding door, whereby what's so special about it is that when I open, all 4 panels will open at the same time.
Yes, they will slide together.
And there's actually a soft closing dampening, so I do not even need to worry. And the beauty of it is this door can actually all come to this side.
Come together, yes.
Yes, so if I need to do some cleaning on the other end, it can be done. And it can also be closed from this side. Okay?
And it's actually also very good in the sense that you can move one side and can go straight to the kitchen.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, so if the guest wants to.
Yeah, that's the wonder part of it.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so now, shall we look at your kitchen?
Yes. Oh, this kitchen here is really good, very useful, especially for simple people like us. Air fryer, rice cooker, and we can just pull this out and just pull this in after we have used it. So this is a very good design from you.
Thank you. Yeah, something different from what you used to have.
Yes,
in a traditional
exactly.
kitchen.
And you also mentioned about the rice cooker with the steam coming out.
Yes.
So as you pull out, the steam will be out and not inside. See?
Yeah,
So,
while you're using it.
Yeah. And it's the slow closer one. So it's very good.
So the whole idea of doing a tall unit is to actually save space. Okay. Then what about is there anything that you want to share about your cooking area?
Oh, the cooking area is good in the sense that, I have one induction, one gas. So actually, both of them is separate. So when I use the induction and is not contacting this gas, so I think it's better in the long run. So it won't clash to one another. Yeah. So and one thing, the sink as you design it to the end, which is also very good because it's right to the end. It's quite near to the dustbin. Okay, talking about this unit that I bought. I didn't know that there's no city gas.
Yes.
So they have to use the drum. So when I talk to you about using the drum, you give me the idea that you have got this push out for the drum, which is actually very useful. First thing is that we don't take the drum very difficult by dragging onto the cabinet. So you can just push it out and just pull it in. So which is also a very good idea from you too.
Thank you. Yeah, so because in view that my client, Mr. and Mrs. Tay, they are not not exactly young and strong like us already. So a small input, something like that, is actually very beneficial to them, so that they do not have to carry the drum or risk like the cabinet from being scratched by the dragging movement. Yeah.
And talking about this rubbish, the pipe, the big pipe which HDB has, because your idea is just to cover it, at least they've got space for me to put in my, things like broom and all this, which is very useful actually. And also looks very neat with this cabinet like that to close it. And also, the HDB have got this I don't know what is it from the HDB that I cannot do anything to it, but you suggested that you also do a cupboard for it. Then we just close and I can leave my the detergent and everything, and so is to the rubbish, the rubbich chute, which is also done very well. In fact, when you walk to the kitchen, you don't see these two items at all. So, which is very neat and nice.
Yeah,
I like it so much.
You know why this door one big, one small? Did you realize?
Oh, really?
Yes. Okay, so I designed it to be one big, one small, so that you can just open one door
yes.
to throw the rubbish.
That is also a very good idea from you, which is I don't have to open up one whole stretch and it's so long.
Yes.
So it's very useful and very convenient for myself. Yeah.
Okay, so now let's look at the toilet.
Okay.
The bathroom.
This toilet, this door for this common toilet, which is very good, especially when you open up one side and then you close the other side, because you have got no space for the sliding. So this is also done very nicely, and this is what we like too.
Yeah, and this toilet, to further add on, is actually at a very funny angle. So it's like, if you put the basin, it's neither here nor there.
It's a very odd shape
Yeah, correct.
Very odd shaped toilet.
Yes, so at least, with this layout that I have planned the space to be, and then the whole bathroom is in a more functional design. So we are done with the living room and the kitchen, and now we have a look at the bedrooms.
Yeah. Okay, come. This is the master bedroom.
Wow, okay, looks very different, but exactly how I imagine it
Yes.
to be.
And the color of the wall, I think I like the color of the wall. It's very matching to the flooring, yes.
Okay,
And this, the cupboard is very good. The cupboard is high enough and very spacious also. Yeah, the design of the wardrobe is very good.
So basically, the design of how this wardrobe is that we actually placed it behind this bedroom door. Yeah, so it actually gives, it allows this entire square space to be usable by them. Okay? Yeah. So maybe now let's take a look at the master bathroom.
Because the master bathroom, it allows this to have a glass sliding door, which is actually very useful because the sliding door sits onto the wall very nicely. So they have got more space. So instead of the door opening in and out like that. So this is a very sliding door, and the workmanship of the sliding door is also very well done.
Yeah, so basically we also redid the tiles in the bathroom. Yes. Okay, so the wall tiles and the floor tiles, they're actually of the same color as the one in the common bathroom. Yes. So the main purpose is to actually brighten up the entire bathroom because it's not a very big space. Okay, let's take a look at the other guest rooms. Okay.
This is the second room. The wardrobe is of a different design again. I like the design for this wardrobe because it's very unique, especially the lower part of it. Very unique.
Yeah, when I first presented this design to Mrs. Tay, I remember her eyes just I have 3 colors for my wardrobe. Yeah, it was something very not what she expected.
I didn't know it was look so beautiful like that. In the beginning, was wondering with so many lines. Oh my goodness, it may attract dirt and all this, but it is so far so good. Yeah. So this room is slightly smaller than the master bedroom, which is in the longish.
Correct, in the longer orientation.
Longer orientation, yes.
But at the same time, this bedroom is slightly quieter.
Yes, yes.
Okay, can we look at the
third room? The last
yes.
room, yes.
Okay.
This is a room which is have a slightly awkward shape, I should say, because it's a sharp end there. So discuss with Yvonne, you gave us a design that just get a small wardrobe and the corner is a display shelf.
Yes.
So this is a common room where nobody is staying.
Because if you were to take a closer look, okay, the walls were actually angled, the entire house was angled in a very triangular shape.
Yeah.
So I was trying to reduce the angularity of the bedroom so that in the event if there's a guest that comes or you want to put a couch, you can put it here.
Yes,
and at the same time look out the window.
Yeah.
Or maybe have a TV on the wall.
Yes.
Yeah, then you have some storage.
Some storage for them to, put their clothing and things like that. So I think this is a very nice wardrobe, I should say, and with display shelf.
Yeah.
Which is very useful to us also. Good. Yes.
Okay, so that's the end of the home tour, and I am really, really grateful that Mrs. Tay is here with me today to actually, go explore the spaces of her new home. Okay, Mrs. Tay, do you have anything to share?
Yeah, I actually have to thank Yvonne also for giving us such a good, comfortable design, so that we are very happy with all this design and with all her work that she discussed with us and have done for us. And also Yvonne, I must thank you so much for this wonderful design. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining me on this episode of Tour Read. I hope you like what you have seen in this house that I've designed for Mr. and Mrs. Tay. If you like what you have seen, do comment in the comment section down below. And if you want to check out more of our house tours, do look at our YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Okay, so that's all for this episode. I'll see you guys again. Bye bye.